Hello student, now this is the second part of a video of the chapter article and the determiner. In the earlier section I discussed with you about the definition of the determiner. What the determiner is? Determiner are words that specify a noun and points at it. And we have seen there are six kind of the determiners are there: article, interrogative, quantifier, possessive, interrogative, and the quantifier, and the number expressions. Now, in this video, I am going to discuss with you the difference between the adjective and the determiner. Because I told you in the earlier language, English language, that determiners were the part of the adjective. So in most of the places, the determiner works as a adjective. But nowadays in the modern English language, it is quite different with the adjective. And how can it is different? Now let's discuss it. In the adjective, what we are doing? In the adjective, we are just adjectives are telling the quality of the noun and it describes the noun. But the determiners specify the noun and points at it. Let's try to understand it with the example. Suppose this is a whiteboard now that I am using to explain you the chapter. So if I am taking the example that this is a whiteboard, right? And the same sentence I am writing here is that this board is white. In both the sentences, there it is the noun. Before that, the word white is coming there. So here it is here in the first one, it tells the quality of the noun of the board. What? The word this. The word white is telling the quality of the board, which is the noun. So here the word white is the adjective because it's telling the quality and describes the quality of the board. But in the second one, I have written there, this board is white. This board, I am specifying especially this board. This board is white. So here the word this is the demonstrative determiner and I have pointed it over here that I am talking about this white board. Right? Now the second one. I hope you can understand it. Now the second one is that the change can change. The adjectives can change. Adjectives can change. But the determiners remains the same. How can it is? Suppose we are writing here, we are taking the 3 degrees of the adjective, the positive degree, comparative degree and the superlative degree. Good, better, best. Right? And then weak, weaker, weakest, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. So here we can see that the adjective is changing its form in all the 3 types. But the word determiner like the any, some, how, any, some, several, they are not changing. They are remaining the same and they don't have any other degrees as the adjective having. But in few places the determiners also having what forms. But in few cases, but mostly it is remain the same. Third quality is that the adjectives are coming before the noun or as a complement. But the determiners are coming always before the noun. Let's see with the example. Suppose I am writing here that the boy is good, right? And then I am writing here He is a good boy. Right? He is a good boy. The boy is good. So here the word good. The word is good is like we can say it is the adjective because it is telling the quality of the boy, and here the word good is coming after it is not there, no noun is there and it came individually over there, but and here also it changes its place. He is a good boy. The boy is good. Here in both the two places we can see that here the word good is coming as a complement, right, as a complement now, and here it is coming before the noun. But the determiners are always coming before the noun. So now let's read the what the explanation given in your book is that in the adjectives tells some special quality of a noun and tells what kind of a person or a thing it meant. Determiners tells us which one. They in the adjective, the form of an adjective can change and it will remain the same. The third is that the position of an adjective is before a noun or as a complement. Here it is a complement. The position of a determiner is always before a noun. This boy, that boy, or this boy, that boy, that box, some ideas. So this is the difference between the adjective and the determiner. Thank you.